I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking out of our book,
Be a plant-based woman warrior. Live fierce, stay bold, eat delicious.
And my mom is driving today and making one of her favorite
apple-lidded sandwich. And the history behind this is our son, Ted, was in Denver working on a Denver City School mural and went out
more than a mural.
He did the whole, yes.
Entryway.
He did more than just muraling. He also went out for lunch. And when he went out for lunch, he had this sandwich, which he came back and told us. And it is stunning.
It's the kind of sandwich to write home about.
You will not believe. I mean, you could actually put anything in here, but the trick is a big apple slice on top, and that fresh, sweet taste of apple is transformational.
It's like a top piece of bread.
It's just
okay. It's
nothing to do with a top piece of bread.
I mean, it can hold things in place. Is what I meant.
Right. But it doesn't. It just tastes crazy
yes.
good. So
it's a great lid. Page 115 if you're following along.
I've got 2 pieces of bread, a whole grain bread, any kind of your choice with no oil. And then I'm going to spread thick on it hummus. This again is hummus without oil. And I am going to then on top of the hummus put some parsley that I just picked from our garden. It's just amazing, the smell of this fresh parsley. Jane, just smell it.
I kind of want to eat it.
I can remember back in the day when we be served some kind of a dish, and it was always had a little piece of parsley. The first thing I always took was the parsley. I've always loved parsley. Now, on top of the parsley...
Partial to parsley.
On top of the parsley...
Or you could use cilantro if that's something you fancy.
We're going to put something stunningly amazing.
On top of the parsley?
Now, we could just take the regular radishes, but today...
Green onions.
Oh, green onions. Sorry, I'm going to put a few green onions. I always put green onions. Always do.
They just have such good flavor, and their onions are just
and again, the
microbiome's best friend.
Right, but Jane, again, we want as much variety. Everything we eat is possible. But the next thing we're going to do is we want to put radishes. But this looks kind of boring. Wait until we cut it open. Now, when I went to the store, in the pile of watermelon radishes was this one. I'm not sure if it is a watermelon radish or not, because
it might be a turnip.
I've never seen them, but I bought both, and I just thought I didn't want to open it until now. So, Jane, would you see what that is inside? And I'm going to open up this one, which is going
to you have a stunner right there.
Such a surprise. Because look at
look
this.
at that. Look at that beauty.
Watermelon radish.
This can't be
unbelievable. And so Jane,
wow. Mother Nature just showing off her good stuff.
So
okay, I'm gonna see. I think this is probably like a rutabaga or a turnip or
Let's see what is in it.
Oh, tatties and neeps as they call them in Scotland.
It is a watermelon radish. Oh, I am so excited.
Look she's a different breed. She's a little more like a Queen Anne's lace. Or is it a?
No, it is.
Oh, it is. Gosh, it has a distinctive radish smell.
So, now I have these gorgeous
This is like making prints in art. Everyone's in different
here. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on cucumbers. And Jane, on the back of each cucumber, would you put some mustard, and then I'm going to put it on the sandwich, because that helps it sort of stick and adds a nice little flavor. Now, these happen to be the English cucumbers, and they're wonderful, but I really like the fatter cucumbers for this because they're fatter.
And she's very symmetric when she cooks. She likes to have like certain cut things in fourths. Each one has a
oh, here, this is a big one.
I was wondering why you were going back and forth with that one.
Now,
I just had a nice crunchy bite of that.
and
radish.
I've got those mustards and the cucumbers. And then next, and actually, you know what? Next, and it's not here, but it's because I always use them and I make them, is I'm going to just put
She
some
grows them. She don't
some
make
broccoli
sprouts.
but that's not necessary. It's just that I happen to have
No,
them.
we have them at the bottom. We have
Yeah.
that.
Well, but
Lemon
I
pepper
like
and
them
lemon
there.
juice.
Now, Jane, I need to have, at this point, the apple. And if you could please, actually, I think, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. But we're not done, because now we want to put on some lemon juice.
Okay. And the juice will actually keep the apple from browning,
Yeah.
as well as add some flavor. I kind of want to tip it over so you get flavor on the sandwich, you know? We both do the same thing.
And then on top of that, I'm going to put some, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I got lemon pepper that I haven't opened. I have a hard time keeping lemon pepper in the house because I use it so much. I love it.
Oftentimes we use it over hot things so it turns to just a solid mass because it gets moisture inside.
And
Those look
this,
so good.
This is the lemon pepper, the apple lidded sandwich topped with lemon pepper.
Yum! Let's give it a go.
Go
All right,
ahead.
we're gonna chop them in half so we can see the beautiful inside. Kind of like I want another glimpse of the beautiful pink. Oh, it looks like a little slab of some sort of roast something or other.
It looks like beet,
Yeah.
but it's radish.
Radical.
All right, but you're not going to believe when you bite into it.
Here,
what-
wait, you gotta try it.
What?
Oh, look, here it comes. Look at your camera.
Oh yeah, hang on.
What the apple lid does, it just is transformational. And just put it on anything, any sandwich, and it makes the sandwich.
I'm gonna make a mess, so I'm gonna.
Yeah.
My hand's wet.
It's one crunchy sandwich.
Okay, since I'm the only one who can talk, can you tell me how? Oh, he's going for a second bite before he even said anything. So, all right, Wade's giving it 2 thumbs up, 2 bites down.
I like the mustard in it.
Oh, he loves the mustard in it, and the crispiness of the watermelon radish is just amazing. And look at this! Look at the color of these things. It actually matches your shirt. You could hide one on my shirt and you wouldn't even see it. Make a medallion. Watermelon radish. Okay, well, the camera. If you can't see us, it's because the cameraman has got 2 hands deep into the sandwich. And do you want to say anything more before we say goodbye?
No, but just always lid your sandwiches with apple slices.
Again,
And we haven't decided actually whether it's better to do it the way she did it or to do it the sideways when you don't get any core.
oh, however you want. Yeah, you can make slices on top. That's a great idea. All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.